Today, we're gonna try foods that literally cook themselves.
Close it!
That looks so weird. Oh, this one is like steaming with a vengeance.
shoot.
Would I eat that again? Probably not. Any minute now. Don't forget to thumb this video. Welcome back to our kitchen. Zenny's back. I'm excited for today's video because literally there is no cooking skills required to make these foods. This is actually my first time trying to make anything self-heating like this. I've seen them around for ages, but I don't know, I guess I've just never dabbled in these kind of instant foods. So today we have 4 different types of these self-heating foods to try. First one we're gonna make is this Haidilao hot pot. It is a tomato beef flavor one. It's all in Chinese. I had to get Zen to translate. Everything you need can be found in this box. You don't actually need a stove or a microwave or hot water. I think you only need like room temperature water, but that's pretty accessible. It's just so big. Inside we have the vermicelli noodles, the toppings, the vegetables. Ooh, it's not like that type of like freeze-dried, dehydrated type. Then there's this bowl you lift up and there's more things inside. You have the chopsticks and cutlery. This is the beef. This is the tomato soup base. And this one is the self-heating pack. What I'm gonna do is empty all the packets into my bowl. That's very little. Oh, there's seaweed, lotus roots, mushrooms. This is the beef. This is the soup base. Oh, she's thick. Then I'm gonna add water, and there's a little line that indicates the level. I need more water. Should I mix it up? Oh my gosh, check out these chopsticks. You can extend them. Very innovative. Okay, I'm just gonna like mix it a little bit. Now I'm gonna open the self-heating pack. It's literally like those Japanese heat packs. Pop that in and it gets activated with water. I'm scared. Do you reckon it'll start steaming or something?
No, it takes a while.
Okay, just fill up to that line like that much.
A bit more, a bit more.
Ooh, is something happening? I just kind of want to see it. The curious me wants to see it like bubble up or something and boil.
You hear it?
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, it's already steaming.
That's why I said to close it.
It's bubbling. I don't know if you could see, like, can you see that steam? How do I show you that steam? ASMR steam. I wonder if they do this up in space. The whole spaceship could like be burnt down because of this. Like if I was an astronaut, that's it, the ship's going down because I cooked something. This is gonna take 15 minutes to cook. It's cooking.
I don't know if you guys can see the steam.
Oh yeah, I think so. It is steaming. We should probably not steam our face using this kind
Tomato beef.
tomato.
I'm just getting a little facial, guys. Just that tomato essence is really good for pores.
Time for the moment of truth. Let's open it up. Oh, is she hot? She hot and steamy. So after a bit of time, it does stop by itself. Like all that steam and bubbling does stop. Oh yes, the noodles are cooked.
Oh, did they give you chopsticks?
They give you, dude, it's retractable chopsticks. Check this out.
We're keeping those.
Are we? Oh shoot, we forgot to put
Oh,
that
yeah.
thing. Almost forgot about the topping. Wait, are these toppings or is this just
Yeah.
chips?
Enhances the flavor.
It looks like corn chips, really. Okay, we're going for it. It looks like actual little corn chips. We're adding this in. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it's going in.
A chip.
Oh, I can go. It's very seasoned for a chip. That looks so weird. Time for the moment of truth. Did this cook itself well?
Wow, that's yummy.
What? Whoa. Okay, this is like full of flavor and it doesn't taste like, you know, like a packet of instant ramen. This tastes gourmet. Let me try the beef.
Oh, it's tender.
It is so tender. Melt in your mouth.
Wow, that's so flavorful.
Like if you told me this was like fresh hot pot, I'd be like, yeah, it is. Like it does not taste like super instant tea. Is that instant tea? Is that a food? Is that a word? Even the lotus root, it's like perfectly cooked. It's not like overcooked. It's still got a bit of that crunch.
I feel like I'm actually in the restaurant eating this.
Wow, these flavors, wow. I did not expect this.
I like it.
Honestly, if it was lunchtime and I worked in an office and I just made this at my desk, I would be so satisfied.
It's just like people just see steam coming out from your cubicle. It's just all of this self-heating steam.
The fire alarm goes off.
How is this being cooked? I don't understand this.
There's a heat pack at the bottom. So you pour cold water into it and then it bubbles up.
Activates it.
It activates with water. What?
We're starting off with a bang because this is a double thumbs up. Wow, the flavor is there. Pretty easy to make. No skill required, guys. Like, come on. You just need Google Translate or someone that can read Chinese. Ding.
Then you just like throw all the ingredients in and like...
No, but because some of the ingredients start out at the bottom, so you need to know which one.
Yeah, you don't want to be eating the heat pack. Next one is a self-heating tteokbokki. Ooh. I'm excited for this one. We love tteokbokki. Okay, inside we have the rice cakes. Oh, this one's a tin foil. The tteokbokki sauce, a pair of chopsticks, and a self-heating pack. This one's a lot more simple and you don't need water. First, I'm gonna empty the rice cakes into the tin foil, then pop on the sauce, give that a mix. It's kind of hard to mix.
Worst mixing skills.
The rice cakes are kind of like stuck together, so I think once it's cooked, it'll be easier to just mix. Then I'm going to activate the heat pad using some water. This time I'm gonna pop the lid on pretty much straight away. I hear some bubbling. Oh, it's working. Oh, this one is like steaming with a vengeance. Shoot. Oh, so hot. Okay. I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay, it's looking much better now.
Ew.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look, I skewered
Ew.
mine to look like street dog. You can just try one.
Yeah, what if I don't like it?
How can you not like dog? You gotta like spread your legs so you're like same height
Spread
as.
them legs.
Okay, cheers. The steam from underneath cooked it, so you didn't need to add water at the top. It was perfectly cooked. Could be a little bit chewier for my liking, but the taste is there.
It tastes like dog.
It's actually got a kick to it.
It's good. Quite spicy to me.
Yeah.
I have one more.
I really like it.
Same.
I like it. Here, guys, have a piece.
A half-eaten piece.
Each
Alf
and
has
piece.
nothing on his.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
It's my last one, I
My
swear.
mouth is burning though. Woo.
That's a song.
I will say that compared to instant tteok, this one does taste better. You know the one that you just use the hot water? That taste is a little bit more like plasticky.
Yes.
This one actually tastes like street tteok.
We've tried our fair share of like instant tteok.
Yeah.
I think this one's the best
This
one.
one's the best one.
What are we gonna rate this?
This is double tteok up.
Double tteok's up.
Double tteok up.
And I don't even like dog.
Next one is a Vietnamese one. This is the omachi hot pot.
Why does it sound so fancy?
Omachi. Omachi. This one only takes 12 minutes. And I got the hai sang chua cay. That's like the sour and spicy seafood flavor. Pretty similar to the other one we had. A big box. Inside is ga ngu. This is the fish. This is the fish. Mi khoai tây. This is potato noodles. The tray comes with cutlery. Sot ya vi lao. This is the soup base. What do you...
Topping.
Yes, that's right. This is the topping.
Oh, Vietnamese so good.
Yeah. Ooh, tôm và mực. This is prawn and squid. We're doing gourmet seafood, guys. And this is the heat pack. Oh wow, look at the toppings. Oh wow, they're quite generous. Oh.
Ooh, is that lady fingers?
Yeah, I see dehydrated okra.
Oh, that's like
Oh. Whoa. What's that?
bamboo shoot.
Oh, that's bamboo. I can smell it. It's bamboo.
It smells kind of strong.
That one is strong. This is the soup base. And then the prawn and squid. Ooh.
That's good actually.
Oh, they're little. It's like a tomato-y like sauce on it. Then I'm just gonna add some water up into the line. And then once again, activate the heat pack with some water. This one will be faster. And now we patiently wait. Any minute now. Any minute. Did I do something wrong? And then boom, explosion. I closed it right. Just don't want it to splash on our... I think something's happening, but I'm also like not too sure because this one is taking a lot longer to heat up and I don't want to open it because I'm scared. No, I see something, I see something.
Yeah, I see smoke, like faint smoke.
It's a slow 12 minutes.
I hear something.
Okay, it's working, it's working.
Okay.
Oh, relieved.
Ooh.
Wow. This one actually looks very hearty. Check out that lady finger.
It smells really strong with this one though.
It's fishy.
It's more fishy, yeah. Definitely it has a different smell. This is the bamboo shoots. It has an intense smell. This is not gonna be for everyone. Did you just drop something on my... I had a noodle drop on my arm, thanks.
Was that me? That makes sense.
The noodles to this is just your typical instant ramen noodle. So, will it taste as good as the other one? Let's see. Very strong bamboo flavor.
Kind of reminds you of like a ganjua.
Ganjua.
Sour.
Like a hot and sour soup.
I'm
Not a fan of the fish. The fish is very dry. Would I eat that again? Probably not. It's just got a very distinct taste, and I think if you're not used to like this sort of like sour hot soup that Vietnamese people eat, I think it's gonna be a little bit, what do you call it?
fishy for you.
Too fishy, there you go. I would just give this a half.
Give it a side.
A side.
I mean, a half.
It's like edible. It's not the worst thing ever, but I think like the flavors are very strong and it's very bamboo-y. Bamboo-y.
To me, it's very fishy. There's that aftertaste of fish.
If the noodles were different, I think it would elevate it a little bit more, but they're just the typical ones, so now they're getting bloated as we look at it. This one is different. This is a rice meal. So inside there's braised chicken, rice, and a side of soup. I don't know where the soup goes, but apparently it's in here. Let's open you up. Inside there's rice, uncooked grain. This is the soup. They even give you water. Underneath you have the spoon, and I'm guessing this is the veggies and meat. Of course we have the heating pack. In goes the rice, and then this is our egg soup, dehydrated. On top of the rice I'm gonna pop the veggies and meat. Then I'm gonna add the water. Unfortunately they didn't give us enough water, so I'm just gonna use my own for the soup. Give that a little mix. Then I'm gonna activate the heating pack. Close it up. And this one takes 15 minutes to cook.
So loud.
Wow, it's steaming up. Woo! This one's rapid. Ooh, this is different. Oh, the rice is cooked as well, okay. The whole family's back. Cute face. Lila, do you want to try some? Try the rice. I feel like there is not a lot of meat. There's just more rice and potatoes, if anything.
There's
you want to
no
try?
meat.
No more.
It's not great, huh?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Do you like it or no? No.
I don't like it.
To me, this is like substandard airplane food. Like horrible airplane food.
It actually does taste like airplane food, but like with less flavor. Okay, soup.
Better not disappoint.
Do you want to try the soup? It's more, it's plain. Lila's like shocked. Overall, I just think it's like the same as the last one we ate. It's not great.
This one's by far the worst.
I
though,
kinda hate
to
this
me.
more.
Okay, this one has to be the worst one. So this is like getting like no thumbs up from us. This is like almost like thumbs down. It's edible. Just think plain food, but a little bit worse.
What do you think, Lila?
Oh, Lila's so sweet.
Yeah,
She said
too
it's
nice.
yummy, but she didn't want to eat anymore. So we all know what that means.
I think like if you rank it, we ate the best and then
Yeah,
like,
I think
went
it got
down.
worse as we went by. So that is our rating system today. We ended up with this.
I want to touch it.
You want to touch
Okay,
the light?
You want to touch the light because Daddy's tall. Okay, you try. Woo! And that's it from us. If you guys want to check out more cooking videos, click the video on screen. Don't forget to subscribe. Help us get to 4 million before this one arrives.